Today we're going to open a document in Microsoft Word. The document has already been preset as a Smart Art graphic. A Smart Art graphic is like a table, but even better. Okay. So to get to our Smart Art graphic, when we click on it once, we get our Smart Tools. This is where we can do our design and we can format. So we're going to start with design. The key here is to open up the text pane. As you can see, the beginning words are already done for you, the life cycles. What you need to do is, and you're going to have to press Tab under each one and add in the facts for it. Okay. So the beginning is couples only, where you complete education, begin career, and get married. Now to go to parenting, we can press Tab. Actually, we don't want to press Tab. We can just click here into parenting, and we're going to press Enter and then Tab. And what that's going to do is that's going to let us type beside parenting. Okay, so parenting is the life cycle stage when couples decide to become parents. So again, so to add a description, like under retirement, okay, if we have retirement, we can press Enter once, and that would give us a new main heading. But now we're going to press Tab so we can add a subheading under retirement. And under retirement, we can add when couples experience retirement, declining health, and or death of a spouse. Okay, for this example, and this is set up in legal size. Okay, when I finish, I can see this one here is the correct size. So the font is KB or Just My Type, size 16. So up here, I'm going to need to click here, move that over a little bit, okay, and make sure it is size 16. Okay, so again, so we've got our text here, so I can kind of move it a little bit, okay, and adjust the size. And the last part is going to be to add a picture of each one. So to add a picture, if you see that, I just click inside the picture. I might do an online picture. In this case, I want to do retirement. Okay, and on this we really want like a visual example of that. So don't just look for a word that says retirement. We want to see actual photographs of people in that life stage that will make it easier for you to remember. To close out of the Smart Art graphic, we can close our text pane, and then we have our design. We can also click up here and go to change colors. If you wanted to change the colors of your design, you could. You also can feel free to go in and add a Smart Art graphic style to this. Okay, and if you notice, this is set up as a cycle. As you can see, it's starting from the beginning, going up. Make sure you save your work often. Make sure you type your name here. Okay, at the end, you're going to need to save it. So you'll go to File, Save As. Right now, it's on your desktop, and you can save it with your name. Suppose your name is Mia. And then the last step before you turn it in is we want to go to File, Save As, okay, and we want to save it as a PDF. That will make it easier for me to see the photographs in there. Okay, so at the end we can save it as a PDF or as a, we'll do a PDF, and you can click Save.